We SAB, SYSDMS offering best welding and cutting Goggle. Dual protection. Features flip-up dark lenses over clear protective glasses for versatile eye protection during welding and grinding tasks. Construction. Durable green frame with adjustable elastic headband ensures secure and comfortable fit during extended wear. Ventilation design. Side vents help reduce lens fogging and provide adequate airflow while maintaining protection from sparks, cutting, grinding, and other industrial work requiring eye protection. Practical features. Flip-up mechanism allows quick transition between welding and inspection. Goggle are available on Amazon.